Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Maktab-E-Hind. Let's learn with fun. Today we are presenting Nipun Bharat 100 Days Reading Campaign. Standard 4th Flashcards Reading Activity. Presented by Teacher Nazia Sheikh, School Anjuman-I-Islam, VM&DM, Peer Muhammad, Urdu Primary School, Semi-English, Pune 1. So let's start the reading activity.
Grandfather. Don't. Your. Dad. Slowly. What? She. Under. Think. Front. Angry. Never. Again. Happy. Quickly. Some. After.
I hope you enjoyed this activity. So like this video, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel Maktab-E-Hind for new updates. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.